Mweri-inĩ wa gatano mwaka-inĩ uyu ituria kĩeha nĩrĩagũmĩire nyũmba ya mũmbunge wa gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kiambu Jude Njomo rĩrĩa maitũ wao akuire agĩtwarwo thibitarĩ-inĩ ĩmwe gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, thutha ũcio agĩthikwo na mũtaratara wa COVID-19.
Na alikuwa na treatment na Dr. Gunga ambaye amemsaidia sana. So on this particular time alienda na akapatikana kuwa oxygen levels zilikuwa chini sana. So wakasema lazima akuwe admitted na akakuwa admitted hospitali ya Aga Khan for a couple of days. Na akakuja huku nyumbani. After she was discharged, she was making improvement. Kwa hataki kurudi Aga Khan, alikuwa ameona amekaa Aga Khan sana. Sasa alikuwa ameniambia as we were talking, we should change the hospital. Tukasema to change tuende Mata. Unfortunately hatukuingia. Wakati tulifika tu hapo kwa hata tukutoka kwa gari, she passed on. Na madaktari wa Mata wakakuja wakajaribu kumresuscitate na it did not end well.
Kuringana na family ĩno, Margaret Wambui wa Njomo akuire nĩ mũrimũ wa ngoro ũrĩa atũire naguo kwa makĩria ma mĩaka 20 mũgarũ na maumĩrĩra ma thibitarĩ wa Mata atĩ akuire nĩ mũrimũ wa COVID-19 maimĩrĩra mũgarũ na marĩa maheanĩtwo nĩ thibitarĩ wa Aga Khan.
On the fourth day tukapigiwa simu na Mata tukaambiwa kuwa walifanya yeye COVID test na imetoka ikiwa positive. And we were really doubting kwa sababu tulikuwa na historia yake ya ugonjwa. I insisted that we do a second test. Lakini na hospitali akasema okay, watafanya second test but we have to do the burying the same day. And that is why tulizika ikiwa tumechelewa sana na kwa haraka sana.
Abunge arĩa marekinyĩtie igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ matongoretio nĩ mũmbunge wa Kieni Kanini Kega nĩ mahoete mũhera kũrĩ family ĩno nĩ mahĩtia ma aruti wĩra a rũhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
Njomo huyu akapeleka hoja kule bungeni na tukaikaribisha kwa 30, ikapelekwa kwa kamati ya mheshimiwa Sabina na tukawaambia wachunguze watuambie ukweli. Na ripoti tayari tuko nayo kule bungeni, ambayo inasema vizuri mama hakuwa na ugonjwa huo.
Oho ũteti ndũnaga kwĩyumĩria igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ kũrĩa ambunge aya mathinyĩrĩirie atĩ ũgai wa mbeca ũgaywo kũringana na ũingĩ wa andũ.
Let the money go where the people are. Where the people are is where we have the population. So we are insisting we want one man, one shilling, one vote.
Ikoro mama mundu no arugame auge ati formula no ndikuhituka akimenyera kwao ni kuragia mbeca no akauga ndikuhituka tondu Kiambu ni kugia mbeca nyingi, Nyeri ni kugia mbeca nyingi, Karanda kundu gwitwo Murang'a ni kugia mbeca nyingi. Kai tukubatara kuonio maundu atia nigetha tumenye arata itu ni ariku na tho citu ni iriku.
Wasaidike kule na equalization fund, but let us devolve resources to where the people are. You don't deserve 9 billion, and I'm not talking about this because I'm here. Mnanijua mimi hata saa zile tumekosana na mtu yote nasema hivyo na ninaenda kulala jioni. I don't fear anybody, I fear God.
When it comes to revenue sharing, unaambiwa kwamba people who are many wanapata pesa kidogo na wenye wachache wanapata pesa mingi. That is the reason why I'm saying that for me and from the people, the leadership of the Luo Nyanza, we are saying that it is one man, one vote, one.
Andũ-inĩ Hajata TV kuma Kanunga kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu ngetwo Wacuka wa Kiarie.